Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing a DIY project. So recently I've purchased these beautiful alcohol markers. The first one is in 30 pieces and the second one is in 80 pieces. But I'm having a difficulty whenever I'm using it because its bag is so soft. Sometimes it keeps falling. So I had an idea to make a DIY marker organizer. So for this DIY project, I will be using a cardboard. I've already cut the base, so now I'm cutting my desired sizes for each sides and for the dividers inside. To wrap the base, I only used bond paper, and to paste it, I used glue and double-sided tape. For the sides, I used the pink colored glitter paper to wrap it and secure it with a hot glue. Now let's form the organizer. Now let's install the dividers. Now it's done. Easy, right? Now let's put in the markers. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on our next art adventure.